Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. I just woke up like a little bit ago. It's almost 10 o'clock. So today we are going to be doing a bedroom deep clean with me. So I got a new mattress and we're going to pick it up this morning, and before I get everything in here, I would really like to get everything cleaned. I'd like to get under my bed vacuumed. So we do this a little not enough for as many cats as we have. I know last time I did this it was like an embarrassing amount of cat fur, and I almost don't know how much of the under the bed thing I'm going to show, because I know it has to be really bad under there, because they're always laying under there, they're running through under there. I don't know fully what to expect. So yeah, I know it's gonna be pretty bad, but it does need to be done, and I'd like to do it before we get the new mattress in here. And we're gonna get this mattress out. I gotta like tighten the screws and stuff on my bed frame. Let me show you the rest of the room, because I've had a not great week. So it's been a struggle, honestly, for the past couple weeks. It's been a very big struggle for me to keep my room clean. I have clothes everywhere, stuff on the floor. Our AC went out like over a month ago now, and I still have like the fan and stuff set up in here, and my desk is just a mess with all like my filming stuff. I really want to find like a centralized location for that. There's just a lot I would like to get done in here. I don't know. I know I'm not going to be able to get everything I want to get done because I don't have some of the stuff. Like, yeah, I would really like to get these white drawered organizers that my makeup were in out of my room, but I don't think that's going to happen in this video because I don't have something else to put the rest of the stuff in. So maybe we will, maybe we won't. That might be a late night thing. But let me show you what my room is looking like, and then I don't know what we're going to start with. So this is to the right of my bed. This is my little fan set up for when our power went out. I had this one plus another one off to the side. I've just been keeping this little cat travel bag out because after the last time we washed it, the cats really like laying in it, but they haven't been, so I think I'm going to be able to put that back up. And then of course I have a little cat tree. My nightstand is not too bad, but I would still kind of like to clean it up a little bit. And then just some socks and some cat toys, some laundry. I need to put these pet gates up because we were using this when we didn't have AC, so I need to get those back in my closet. And I'd also like to get my springtime clothes out and pack up my winter clothes and like declutter some stuff as well. Some more socks, pile of clothes I need to be hung up, my really messy desk that I need to get everything cleaned up and organized and find a place for some things. Some really beautiful boys. Hi, baby boy. Hi, my baby. This is Dorian, and this is Max. Max is my sad boy. He thinks he's always hungry, and he always needs to have fresh food at every hour of the day, and he is very vocal about it, so yeah. And then even more laundry that I'm struggling to get put away over here. So that's the overview of the bedroom. So yeah, it doesn't look like a lot, but I know it's going to take a lot of time. So let's go ahead and get started.
Threw me a warning without a sound. You left me all alone to take it on myself. This can't be. Take your time and make very sure that you've made up your mind. I know you don't let anything go easy, and if you wouldn't mind, I'd like to see you one more time to tell
Okay, so far, this is stuff that I'm going to see if I can sell. I'm going to probably donate that stuff. This is the winter stuff that's being packed up, and I just pulled these out so I could hang some shorts and stuff up on. Next is going through this summer or spring tote so I can pull out what I want to hang up. I think I'm also going to go through this and declutter some stuff as well. So let's go ahead and work on that. Okay, so this is what it's looking like. I got all the laundry hung up. You saw I got all that cleaned off. I didn't declutter too much, but I mean, it's more than I was expecting. But we got a lot of room. I still don't have the spring stuff I pulled out hung up yet, though, because I'm washing it. So once that's out of the wash, I'll have all that hung up. I got my winter stuff packed up, and that's fall stuff. This is like obscure holiday decorations, so it's like Valentine's, Easter, stuff like that. And then I got the baby gates back there, plus some extra lighting, my gym backpack, and then just my boots.
Baby, can we kill this butterfly? Always takes too long, yeah, too long. I ain't got all weekend. We had a good run, yeah, good run, but the clock is ticking. I gotta move on, yeah, move on. I got things to do, all without you. Tell me how I can make this easier, yeah, guide me. I don't want you to get too hurt, there's no need for screams or shouts or ugly words, no. I'm done with getting hate from love, you see, love, you see, love. Baby, can we kill these butterflies? They live and then they die, and that's the way I like it. I just wanna move on with my life. I've loved you for a while, and that's the way I like it. All these butterflies gotta go. I just gotta be on my own. I've been loving you for too long. All these butterflies gotta go. I just gotta be on my own. I've been loving you for too long. Too long. Move on my own. I've been loving you for too long. I know you're eager to move on with us, but you know I never do the long-term stuff, so let go and hope for better luck next time, 'cause I'm done with time-consuming love, you see. Baby, can we kill these butterflies? They live and then they die, and that's the way I like it. I just wanna move on with my life. I've loved you for a while, and that's the way I like it. All these butterflies gotta go. I just gotta be on my own. I've been loving you for too long. All these butterflies gotta go. I just gotta be on my own. I've been loving you for too long. Too long. Move on isn't quite enough. This is how we've landed, and I can't understand it. I thought we had it all, I thought we were in love. Offered you some flowers, a basket full of tasty